From Silicon Valley to Shanghai and everywhere in between, innovation is happening all over. Here's a snapshot of some exciting new technologies in development around the world. Our first stop is China for a sneak peek at the future of customer service. Client care representatives need to be fast, flexible and friendly, and this robot checks all the boxes. This is Cruzr, a humanoid robot with a cloud-based artificial intelligence system. It has voice capabilities to answer questions and can make humanoid gestures like waving and pointing. It's also chock full of sensors and cameras that allow it to navigate busy spaces, making it an ideal guide for airports and shopping malls. Cruzr isn't just a chaperone though, it's a data-driven sales associate too. Its facial recognition technology allows it to identify customers by their age and gender and target products that might fit their needs. It can also work around the clock, serving as a security guard that monitors hallways after hours. Talk about a robot that wears many hats. Our next destination is San Francisco to learn our way around town. That's what autonomous vehicles will need to do before they can safely navigate city streets. A startup called Mapper is making that possible. The company gathers mapping data for self-driving car services so they can operate effectively. A client simply logs on to the Mapper software platform and clicks on the streets for which they want to build data. Once the request is in, Mapper sends drivers to acquire the visual information and upload it. From there, an artificial intelligence algorithm processes it into accurate maps that fit the client's specifications. Clients can feed this refined data into their own systems directly through a software API. If any changes are required, Mapper will have the update ready within 24 hours. Last on our list is Singapore, where 3D printers are using an unconventional material. Plastics may be the most popular inputs for projects to date, but researchers at NTU have something else in mind. They've programmed these two robots to print designs using concrete. The special cement mixture is viscous enough to flow through a printing jet, but tough enough to serve as a structure's foundation. What's also impressive is the researchers programmed two robots to print in unison without bumping into each other. This makes it possible to print larger structures much faster than earlier methods and in designs not previously possible with concrete. It could signal the beginning of an exciting new era in architecture. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.